Transformational Conscious Arts. The art of surrender to serve. To surrender our will and to place our destiny in the hands of the universe is to serve something greater than us. It is a very high place to live from. As we let go of the old world reality that has no real connection with energy or how the universe works, we move into a reality of serving and trusting the universe. We master the art of moving out of control. We put the universe in charge and begin to serve it, listening in each moment to what it is asking of us. We may find that what we thought were our real dreams and desires pale in comparison to the endless gifts that we receive from the universe as we trust in its effortless ability to provide for us. Serving the universe brings many rewards and allows us to live from a place of real inclusion, sensitivity, and the highest form of love. Transformational Conscious Arts and their mastery guides us there.